Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is manifestation of light. You have a new idea, a new inkling, a new intuition, a new gift, a new inspiration. Walk towards it. Make sure that you zone in on this idea and bring it to life, because it would not come into your mind, into your thoughts, if it wasn't possible. And it's going to change your life. I see the beauty in me, and I grow and develop my inner self with harmony, with the light and beauty. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms to something beautiful, and I invite my tribe. My intellect shines because I'm a genius, and my inner light grows stronger. Therefore, I can maintain and sustain bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.